In today's video, I am going to show you how to quickly create a panel-style combo chart in Excel using a secondary axis. This is the perfect way to display two different data series clearly, especially when their numbers and scales are completely different sizes. Step 1. Open the Recommended Charts menu. To get started, make sure your data is ready. Then look at the menu ribbon at the top of your Excel window and click the Insert tab. From there, find the Charts group and click on the Recommended Charts button. Step 2. Select the combo chart layout. When the chart window opens, click on the All Charts tab at the top to view all available styles. Scroll down to the very bottom of the left sidebar menu and click on Combo. Step 3. Enable the secondary axis. Now look at your data series list at the bottom of the window. Find your second data series and check the box next to it labeled Secondary Axis. This gives your second dataset its own independent scale on the right side of the chart. Once checked, click OK. Excel will instantly insert your new combo chart right into your worksheet, keeping both datasets perfectly scaled and easy to read. And that is all there is to it. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy Excel tips.